Oh, come on! Why do you... Oh, bro! Stand there, AFK, boy. Achoo! Hee. Achoo. You know, I'm gonna play some blox first and go in the second seat to do some cheats. Don't ask why I'm in the second seat. You may see my other video where I got permanent dragon. It's still in my inventory. Yep, here it is. Right now I got blue equipped. What's up? Yep. What's happening? I'm never doing it. Just kidding, I'm doing a face reveal. Seven permanents. That's all I'm in church though. I'm gonna have to panel though. Red, blue, green, blue. I still remember the code. By the way, you should check out my YouTube group. Dang it. Don't have my little I thought y'all didn't know that I play blox. 10 seconds? 30 seconds? Oh, bet! Reset. Oh, I'm at hot and cold. Well, time to go to the cafe. Oh, there's the core! Bet. Hey, yo, what's that in there? Yo, wasn't me. Hang on. Yep. I've been a lot of updates. Yeah, but you have to put. Can't believe it, bro. At least walkthroughs are good. I know I just got scammed, but how is this possible? I just glitched myself. Holding 2 fruits. Holding 2 fruits is impossible. I wonder what I can do with love fruit. Hey, let me stand. Oh, go bed. You got yourself a yeah, he's gonna scare me, I know it. Yep! Tree? Why is everyone being rude and scam? It's not nice to scam like that. I lost a dough fruit because my friend deserved it more. No space. Put my profile link on my premiere video. I'm talking about this premiere. I'm talking about all premiere TV.